Hello everyone, welcome back to Traffic Table channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to find a very profitable keywords where you can put that on the title, subtitle, or back end 7 keywords. Are you ready? Let's get started. So first of all, I will use Easter Coloring Book as an example here on this video. But before I use that, I would like you to download first Amazon Suggestion Expander Google extension, DS Amazon Quick View Google extension. We will use also Keyword Surfer Google extension. So all of these are plugins. You can use them on Google, and you just have to download it. It's totally for free, and we are using that on this video. So again, Amazon Suggestion Expander, DS Amazon Quick View, Keyword Surfer. I will put them all down below in the description, so don't worry guys. So first of all, my first strategy is to write Easter Coloring Book and then search on the box. And once we go to the box section, as you can see from here, Amazon give me some suggestions. But since I'm downloaded this one, this Amazon Suggestion Expander, then it will give you also another suggestion, as you can see. So if you didn't have this extension Chrome, so you will not see all of that. If you have the Chrome extension Amazon Suggestion Expander, you will see everything. So here we go. We have Easter Coloring Book for kids, for toddler, for adult, bulk, and then we have also adult Easter Coloring Book, kid Easter Coloring Book, Mandela Easter Coloring Book, and so on. And you can find a lot with this extension. So what I do, guys, I go for every keyword of that, put it here in the all section. Find the competition. If it's lower than 1000 and have at least 3 or 4 books lower than 500,000 BSR, I'm good to go. Okay, so this extension showed me a lot of other keywords. This extension showed me the BSR, the bestseller rank, and once I know the BSR, which is the bestseller rank, the lower the BSR, the higher the profitability of the book. Okay, so once I go for every one of these and then I realize the competition, I use also the BSR, so you can find, you will see this number 80,000, 9,000, 208,000. Of course, the one with 9,000 is selling much more. That's why I need the second extension. So why I need Keyword Surfer? You know, there are two extensions, one called Keyword Surfer and other word keyword everywhere. The other one now it's not for free. It's like you have to pay, I don't know, 10 euros or something. But I think for Keyword Surfer it's just for free. That's why I use this, and I think it made the same the keyword everywhere do. So what we're gonna do now to find another keywords is to write on Google Easter Coloring Book and see what are the people are searching for on Google. And once they search that on Google, they can also search that on Amazon, so we know. So I wrote Easter Coloring Book, and once you have Keyword Surfer extension, you will see here on the right section a lot of stuff. You will see that when this keyword is trending, you see it's between February and March and maybe May, because this is Easter. Cool. And also you can find also related keywords: Easter Coloring Book, Easter Activity Book, Easter Coloring Page for adults, printable Easter activities. As you can see here, also you can see people also searching for, as you can see, a lot of other. And then you can see also long tail keywords, and from the long tail keywords you can use that in the 7 back end boxes on Amazon. Okay, so you can see here Easter Coloring Book for image toddler, Amazon bulk, mini Easter, that's new one, giant Easter Coloring Book, Christian Easter Coloring Book, as you can see, Coloring Book for toddler, Easter egg Coloring Book, Easter magic Coloring Book, Easter story. As you will find a lot. All of this you can put them on the 7 backend boxes on Amazon Kindle. Okay, what is the next strategy I use? I use Helium 10. If you are not familiar with Helium 10, Helium 10 is a very huge tool that you can make literally everything, and you have 2 or 3 times searches for free. I use the free version, guys. So every day I have 3 or 2 times I can search for keywords. Why not? It's for free. So I wrote here, I come here in the Helium 10, and I will put that in the description also. And then I will go for Magnet 2. In the keyword search, I will go for Magnet 2 and write Easter Coloring Book. And once I wrote Easter Coloring Book, it's for free, guys. Just 3 times per day. And once you hit that, you will find here a lot of stuff, a lot of keywords. Easter Coloring Book, adult coloring tips, superheroes of the Bible, Bunny children book, as you can see. And once here what is important here is to search for magnet IQ score. The IQ score, which the higher the score is, the higher the profitability of the keywords. So the score based on the ratio between, as you can see, between what? Between the competing products and the search volume. So once you have high search volume and low competing products, so you have high magnet I score. So I am searching only on high magnet I score. So what is the highest here? Something high, something like that. Peter Rabbit coloring, but you have always to check the trademark, guys, so you will not be kicked out from Kindle. Okay, so yeah, you have to go down and maybe something like that. Holiday seasonal coloring book adults. You see, it's 1000 magnet I score, which is really amazing. So what I do again to find the keywords, what I do is I'm going to the bestseller rank here, and I'm trying to see why he is a bestseller. You see this guy, unicorn coloring, why he is bestseller rank on Easter. I'm not understand. So what I do here, I go for the bestseller, and then I go for Helium again, but at this time I go for Cerebo. That's the first one, and from that I can put the Eisen with the book. It's like a book number or something related to the book. As you can see, if I go down, I will take the Eisen 199, this one, and then I will put on Helium 10 on Cerebro. And once I put it here, I can find which exactly the keyword ranking for that book. So that book ranking number 1 in almost all these keywords, as you can see. That's why it's bestseller. Come on, it's like ranking number 1, and it's organic rank. It's not even sponsored rank. So the organic rank, look, that's amazing, guys. All of these keywords. So what I'm doing here is I'm trying to find some keywords which I'm not using, and I would like to use them on my back-end keywords. What I can do also, the next one and the last one, which is Keywordio, which is very amazing website, which is totally for free, guys. All of these was for free, guys, for you. And just write Keywordio, and I will also leave the link in the description down below. And after that, it will be like this on Google. Try to make it on Amazon, and once you make it on Amazon, you can put Easter coloring book, and then you make search only on USA, and then you will find a lot of related keywords, guys. And believe me or not, from this one I made a lot of sales. So keep in mind that this website is amazing. So as you can see, you can also take all of these, whatever you want, and put them in your Excel sheet, and then take them and search on Amazon with our criteria. Lower than 1000 results, lower than 500 BSR bestseller rank is good to go. And as you can see, there are here a lot of other ideas like Easter coloring book and mazes, Easter coloring book and stickers, Easter coloring book Bible, Easter coloring book bulk for kids, Easter coloring book bunny. As you can see, down and down, like it's a lot, guys. As you can see, Easter coloring book bars of favor, novelty, no mess, multi-back, mini, a lot. So you can take whatever you want, but just take relevant keywords for your book. Don't just take anything. Okay, so that's it, guys, for today. I hope you can subscribe for my channel, smash that like button to find more videos like that, and leave me a nice comment if you want. Thank you, guys, for listening, and see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.